One of the things that we realized early on as we started doing security testing and penetration testing for manufacturing customers is that many of them, especially those who don't have the established security testing program, are afraid to do security testing. And when we started figuring out why, we realized that it's not really about the findings. It's not what they're not afraid of what we can find. It's more about they are not sure what to do with the findings and how to fix things. And as we realized that what we need to do is to make sure that we support them as they fix all of the issues that we find during security testing. And that's what we've started doing. And fixing the issues means that we need to interface with multiple teams, and we need to work with multiple teams that have different objectives, different understanding of technology. And we became experts not just in testing, but in working with all of those teams and with making sure that they understand what needs to be done and they have all of the guidance that they need based on their role and based on their responsibilities with fixing things. The other thing that became important as we were doing security testing and helping with remediation for a lot of manufacturing companies, and that was just making sure that whatever we provide them does not have to be done all at once. As manufacturing companies are champions of incremental improvement, so everything that we provide to manufacturing company can be done in increments to improve their security posture. And building those plans on how to do it incrementally and continuously improve the security posture based on those findings is something that we've championed and something that works extremely well in manufacturing industry.